Hello, and welcome to my channel and to another review video. I'm Ollie, a graphic designer and illustrator, and today we will take a look at the Innovator 16, a very slim display tablet which looks very promising. XP Pen is famous for top-notch display and graphic tablets for an affordable price, and with the Innovator 16 they have one of the thinnest display tablets on the market in their portfolio, with only 9mm of thickness. Thanks XP Pen for sending me this device. This review isn't sponsored, by the way. All opinions are my own and I didn't get any money, so all pros and cons come directly from me. Okay, so in the box you will find the display itself in all its glory, the stylus, the 3-in-1 USB cable, one extension cord, power adapter and portable stand, the pen holder which comes with 8 replacement pen nibs, a quick guide, cleaning cloth and one black drawing glove. In the anniversary box there are additional postcards, a nice ballpoint pen, some stickers and a key ring with their mascot Phoenix on it. Specwise it's comparable to the Artist 15.6 Pro, which I reviewed some month ago. If you're interested, the link is in the upper right corner. Its price is about $550 or 500 euro. And XP Pen is giving away coupons on social media all the time, so watch out for those to get them even cheaper. On to the technical specs. It has a full HD, fully laminated display with a color gamut of 92% Adobe RGB, 88% NTSC and 125% sRGB. The fully laminated display brings a minimized parallax effect, if there is any, but we will find out in a minute. The battery-free stylus supports 60 degrees of tilt function and over 8000 levels of pressure sensitivity. It's lightweight and comfortable to hold for a long time. You get 8 fully customizable shortcut keys, one mechanical wheel and a virtual wheel. When I do the pen test, I'm looking for wobbliness, initial activation strength, parallax, lag, and overall look and feel. There is a small amount of wobbliness to the stroke if you use 0% of smoothness, but as soon as you take the smoothness to 5% or higher, it's almost gone. I can definitely do some straight lines with it. I couldn't find any lag or visual parallax. The initial activation strength is a little higher, so the softer strokes it wouldn't recognize. I'm not sure if this is a driver thing or has to do with the actual pen. Hopefully a driver update can improve that in the future. What I realize is sometimes it produces a weird taper to the stroke, but that's not a big deal for me and it's only sometimes happening. After testing the pen, it's time to get some work done with this thing, and I decided to paint a pencil drawing out of my sketchbook I did a while ago. So sit back and enjoy the time lapse, and in the end I will give you my conclusion to this product. So, all in all, you get a very nice product for your money. The Innovator 16 is very similar to the Artist 15.6 Pro besides the design, and if you want to save about $50, the Artist 15.6 Pro is the way to go for you. If you consider taking the tablet display with you for mobile working, then the Innovator 16 is a better solution in my opinion. The Innovator 16 is a unique looking pen display thanks to its design and slim form factor. The display itself is out of the box very well calibrated and color accurate. The resolution is enough for the 15.6 inches of screen size, and drawing with the pen on the surface feels nice. Even after a long session, the display didn't get hot or even warm. On my wish list for the next generation would only be the option to use a single USB-C cable, but I don't know if that's even possible technically. Thank you for watching the video, and as always, any share, like and comment is highly appreciated. Until then, stay safe and I see you later.